So we've got the boards mounted up here. This is a 4x8 sheet and 4x4, and then we split the corner over here. Looks like I pretty well got the angles matched like I was hoping to. And I've got a board down here across the bottom that it's sitting on, and then I've got my first board I've screwed in here. It's got a little bit more movement on it than I was hoping. My screws are not as long as I was hoping, so I'm only getting into this board by 1/4 of an inch, and I was hoping to get in at least by a half. So I'm gonna have to go to the hardware store and get some longer screws. I've got 2.5 inch screws, and definitely gonna need some longer screws. But pre-drilling into the 1x4 worked out really, really well. So now I just got to work a little bit more on getting a good system in place, and then when I get it all done, I'm basically going to put a 1x up at the top and then down all the way around the side, and then it'll just dead end on the side over there. That's the plan anyway at this very moment, and then hopefully this will be complete this project this week. I've got to fill in all the holes, sand it down, and then paint it. So that's what we've got so far.